Patrick Bowen from LJ Hooker, and welcome to 19 Holly Drive in Point Cook, the ultimate family entertainer. 4-bed, 2-bath, 6-car garage set on a beautiful block of 625, complete with a wonderful pool. Why don't you come inside and show me everything that this great house has to offer. Genuine 6-car garage, complete with bollards, plenty of security, and a car hoist. How good is this? Thank you very much for joining me at this magnificent family home at 19 Holly Drive in Point Cook, set on a beautiful 625-metre block, set in the Alamanda school zone, the most highly sought after school zone in the area. This beautiful Henley build with tons of great work all the way through, including solar panels. It's going to be a must for anyone to inspect. Please give me a call on 0414643705 or any of the team at LJ Hooker Property Point. Thank you very much.